Welcome to May. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. If you are an iPhone user, you may notice that by default, no matter who calls you, the ringtone is the same. If you assign individual ringtones to callers, then you can easily know who is calling you, so you can choose to pick up this call or not. Besides, you can also set a song as ringtone by yourself. This video will show you the way. It's easy to change the ringtone on iPhone at the Sounds and Haptics page in Settings, so let's see other ways. Number 1. Change ringtone for a contact. You can follow the steps below to set special ringtones for your family and friends. Go to Contacts, find and tap the person's name. Tap Edit in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap Ringtone or Text Tone to choose a new sound. Number 2. Buy ringtones from iTunes Store. If you don't like the default ringtones, you can go to the iTunes Store to search for a favorite ringtone and buy it. Find the ringtone you want to buy and tap the price. Choose to set it as the ringtone, text tone, or assign it to account, or tap down to set it later. With 3. Make a ringtone. If you don't want to use the default ringtones or pay for ringtones, you can choose to make custom ringtones by yourself. You can set any audio as a ringtone, as long as these audios are saved on your computer or in the iPhone's Files app. With the help of GarageBand, you can make a ringtone easily. Before you start, please add the audio you want to make into a ringtone to the Files app. If you have audio files on your computer, you can go to iCloud.com to upload them to iCloud Drive. In this way, you can access the audio file on your iPhone. In addition, you can let iPhone data transfer tool, like M Backup, help you add music to iPhone. Unlike iTunes, it will not erase any existing songs on the device. You can download the free trial of M Backup in the description below to enjoy this feature. Connect iPhone to computer via the USB cable. Choose Transfer to iPhone option. Click the plus icon and choose the song you want to transfer. Click Transfer to add music to iPhone. If you have the song or audio clip ready to use on iPhone, then follow the steps below to make your own ringtone. Download GarageBand from App Store and launch it. Choose any instrument like keyboard. Tap the project icon. Tap the loop icon. Choose the audio file you need. Long press on the audio file and it will import to GarageBand. Tap on this track and drag both ends to trim the audio. A ringtone should be less than 30 seconds. Tap the downward arrow icon to save it to My Songs. Find the clip you made under Recents and long press it. Tap Share, choose Ringtone option. Name the ringtone. Tap Export option. When the export is successful, tap Use Song As. Then you can choose to set the ringtone as default ringtone, text message, or for a specific contact. Or you can tap down and go to Settings to check the ringtone you made. That's all about how to change ringtone on iPhone for free. You can simply go to Settings app to assign individual ringtones to callers. If you prefer custom ringtones, you can go to iTunes Store to buy ringtones or make your favorite songs as a ringtone via GarageBand. Want to know more about May? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with your any issues.